Welcome to People-Driven Credit Union's Cashback Plus program. In this short tutorial, we'll show you how to earn, use, and redeem your cashback rewards right inside your banking app. Cashback Plus is our built-in rewards program. Members earn cashback by purchasing digital gift cards, shopping in-store or online, or completing actions like using a debit card, going paperless, or having a loan with us. Rewards never expire, and there are no earning limits. How to use the Offers option. To start, you can log into your mobile app. On your dashboard, tap the Cashback Plus widget. Select Offers to browse participating stores. Choose a gift card, pick the amount, and confirm purchase. Your gift card will be stored in your wallet for later use or instant checkout. All of your purchased gift cards live in your wallet. Tap any card to use it. You can copy the code to shop online or tap Shop Now to go directly to the store's site. Once used, we recommend archiving the card to keep your wallet organized. Cashback Plus Pay is a separate app for phones. Download it from the App Store and link it to your People-Driven Credit Union account. At checkout, enter your purchase amount to generate a barcode you can scan in-store, or shop online directly in the app to earn cashback instantly. Pay in-store instantly generates a barcode for your cashier to scan. Pay online redirects you to the retailer's website, where you can shop as usual. Then pay securely through the Cashback Plus app and earn rewards. To redeem your rewards, go to the Redeem page. Select an eligible account and transfer your cashback instantly, with no minimums required. That's it. With Cashback Plus, you can shop smarter, earn more, and redeem instantly. Start today inside your People-Driven Credit Union mobile app.